Walls, draw shapes. So here we are in our project that we've been working on, and we've been testing a few different shapes with our wall tool. Just to recap that, click on the wall tool in the ribbon. Then under draw, you have different shapes. And you can draw a line like that, a rectangle like this one, or a circle like this one. Those are all 2 clicks. There were also some other shapes that I wanted to look specifically at. So I'm going to click on Wall Tool. First one we're going to be looking at is this, the fillet arc. The fillet arc will round the corners. I'm going to click on that. Now, it is going to round the corners, and the most important thing to remember with the fillet arc is it's not necessarily editing what's there as much as adding something new. So if I were to click on 1 and then 2, you can see that it's actually trying to add an arced piece as the arced corner or the filleted corner, as it is sometimes referred to. So I can just click where I want that to end up, and let's see what we have here. I'm going to hit Escape twice. Now what we have is one wall there, that was the original wall that was there, and we have a second wall, very, very small piece of it, and then a third wall is drawn in between. That wall doesn't necessarily have to be the same type as these other walls. It's its very own segment. So let me review that. I'm going to undo, so I'll go up to the undo command and press it once, and now we're undoing. You won't find the fillet command anywhere. You find the fillet arc under the wall tool. Now when I click on this wall, I'm going to just take note of its wall type. It's called Basic Wall Generic 8. Good. Now I'm going to click off the wall. When I click on the wall tool, I want to make sure that I have the same wall type. Now when I click on the fillet arc under Draw, you'll notice that it's available to me, and I can pick the points and then decide on what the radius is. But it's the same wall type as the other ones. I'm going to hit Escape twice to exit out of the command. I can click on the wall. Then I can click on the radius and type in 3 feet or 1 foot. What if I were to click 20 feet? It would try, but it would give me some warnings. Obviously, that was too big of a radius for that particular area, and I'm going to just hit cancel. We won't be using this command at all, other than just looking at it right now. So I wanted you to be aware of it, and now we'll move on to some other shapes and tools in the ribbon. I'm going to go up into the ribbon under the Home tab and just click on Wall. And we'll notice that our Modify Place Wall Custom tab comes up. And this tool right here is called Pick Lines. And this can be a very useful tool, not just for walls, but for other objects as well. If I click on Pick Lines, I can pick a line, and on top of that line, or aligned with that line, a wall will appear. It doesn't replace it, it just draws it on top. So you can see that as I click on the reference planes, walls are being drawn exactly at their location. Let's hit Escape twice to get us out of the command, and then let's undo, and we'll step right back to there.